is a completely different video to what I do there. But this came today, the Zhiyun Weebill 2. Now, I looked online for things and couldn't find anything, and that's because it's not out in the UK or the US yet. I'm definitely not a gimbal expert, that's for sure, but I thought that as there was nothing else on YouTube with this, I thought we'll do an unboxing of it, and you'll get my first non-professional thoughts on it. It's still sealed in the box, so we'll jump into an overhead and we'll unbox it. Still sealed in, so let's slice that. Now to open the box. Handy little case. It's an unbagging, really, rather than an uncasing. So to let you know, I got the Weebill 2 Pro version. There's 4 packages that it comes in, and this is the Pro version, which is I'll show you now what you get. So. There we go, that's a bit lighter now. So, here is the gimbal itself. It's nice velcro compartments. And already very, very relatively small. I don't have the biggest hands in the world, so it's still nice and small. Like I said, I'm not a gimbal expert, and usually I would come to YouTube to find out how these things work. So this is just going to be an unboxing video. I'm going to definitely save the ins and outs for someone else to cover. So, gimbal in that. Let's check out some of the other compartments then. Right, what's in one of these bags? So like I said, this is the so wires. One set to USB-C, Allen keys, so all the different wires. Included, here's the quick release plate. Leave the plate there. All the tap pumps. This is the and of course, the best part. This is everything that comes in the first compartment. Now to get to the other part, I think we need to seal back up. This is the new improved. Here's the selfie stick, over out selfie stick. This is the this, I think it comes with the Pro, which is what do we have up here then? More cables. HDMI to mini. And the more manuals here. Check them now. Let me just look through the manual to see the languages. So Chinese, 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 and in English. There is, even at the moment before its release, it is in English as well. The manual. That manual. It's relatively easy to follow. I think we'll do that some. Do that later. And I believe. What's that? Oh, okay, a zip within a zip. So unzips here. Unzips. Should I be another zip? More goodies. Bag strap. That's it. Just a bag strap in there. And I did look in this zip at the start, but you never know. No, nothing else in there. So there you have it. There's the bag. And the holder. And that's a very convenient compartment. So with the Pro version as well, you get the Transmode Follow Focus 2.0, and you get the Transmode Video Transmission, which is a little bit improved from the older one. But one of the big improvements is the spin out screen. It feels smooth, locks into place. 2 clicks. 1, 2, and then just slides back in super smoothly. So, there we go. This is my makeshift studio, by the way, in my apartment. I'm going to set this up. I'll make another video in like 2 or 3 days. How I get used to it. Like I said, complete beginner when it comes to gimbals. Let's see how easy it is for me setting this up, especially when there's no YouTube videos to help, which is how I usually get all my stuff done. See you next time.